Hello and welcome to my video presentation. Today I want us to discuss about how to discipline children. I know this is a very critical, a very serious issue, and most parents are not aware of any strategies that can be applied to discipline our children. I know most of the questions that most parents and teachers ask themselves includes, do you know how to discipline children without harming them? Is it possible to discipline children? The word discipline means to impart knowledge and skill, to teach and not to inflict pain. However, discipline is often equated with punishment and control. There is a great deal of controversy about the appropriate ways to discipline children, and parents are often confused about effective ways to set limits and instill self-control in their children. So this video presents positive discipline strategies that effectively teach children to manage their behavior and keep them from harm while promoting healthy development. So this positive discipline strategies includes the following. 1. Show and tell. As a parent, teach children right from wrong with calm words and actions. We should always model behaviors that you would like to see in your children. Number 2, set limits. As parents, we need to have clear and consistent rules for your children that they can follow. Be sure to explain these rules in age-appropriate terms they can understand. Number 3, give consequences. Calmly and firmly explain the consequences if they don't behave. For example, tell them that if they do not pick up their toys, for example, you will put them away for the rest of the day. And be prepared to follow through the right way. So don't give in by giving them back after some few minutes. But remember, never take away something your child truly needs, such as a meal. So let's give our children the consequences they expect to have if actually they don't behave well. Number 4, hear them out. Listening is very important. Let your child finish the story first before helping solve the problem. Watch for times when misbehavior has a pattern, like if your child is feeling jealous. Talk with your child about this rather than just giving consequences. Point number 5, give them your attention. The most powerful tool for effective discipline is attention. And this too is to reinforce good behaviors and discourage others. Remember, all children want their parents' attention. Number 6, catch them being good. Children need to know when they do something bad and when they do something good. So notice good behavior and point it out, praising success and good tries. Be specific. For example, you can say, wow, you did a good job putting that toy away. Number 7, know when not to respond. As long as your child isn't doing something dangerous and gets plenty of attention for good behavior, ignoring bad behavior can be an effective way of stopping it. Ignoring bad behavior can also teach children natural consequences of their actions. So sometimes we don't have to respond all the time. Point number 8, be prepared for trouble. Plan ahead for situations when your child might have trouble behaving. Prepare them for upcoming activities and now you want them to behave. Number 9, redirect bad behavior. Sometimes children misbehave because they are bored or don't know any better. Find something else for your children or your child to do. And finally, call a timeout. I know many parents or many teachers would like to use timeouts. A timeout can be easily useful when a specific rule is broken. This discipline tool works best by warning children they will get a timeout if they don't stop, reminding them what they did wrong in a few words and with as little emotion as possible, and removing them from the situation for a brief set length of time, a minute per year of age, is a good rule of thumb. So with children who are at least 3 years old, you can try letting their children lead their own timeout instead of setting a timer. You can just say, go to timeout and come back when you feel ready and in control. So those are some of the few strategies, positive strategies that can be used to discipline our children. If you like my video, kindly subscribe. You can like it or even share with a friend. Thank you.